Hi everybody, welcome back from GD&US. Today I want to explain you about Autocad geometry tolerance. This Autocad geometry tolerance is really related to geometry dimension and tolerance. So if I explain you about Autocad tolerance, you will know how to use the Autocad. But you are not sure about mechanical concept, just like a symbol, datum, modifier, and ls. You want to know why you need to show the diameter symbol in front of the tolerance value. That's why I plan to explain about Autocad plus GD&T basis. Before I start Autocad, I want to explain you why we need to use GD&T because I think you also want to know why it is important. When we talk about dimension, we can divide it into two parts. The first one is general dimension and the second one is geometry dimension. General dimension is very simple. Normally, we use the dimension in drawing. That is the general dimension. Geometry dimension is like this one. When it comes to GD&T, the most common question is why we need to use GD&T. We already had general dimensions. To answer shortly for this question is to save time and money. Okay, let's take a look at design process. When we need to manufacture some mechanical part, we design first. Then we make sample, then go to inspection. If inspection is failed, we redesign again, then making sample and then inspection again. In this way, this cycle is rolling and rolling until the material passes the inspection. To escape from this cycle of making design, we can use GD&T and it can support more precise information for mechanical parts that we need to manufacture. In that case, generally dimension is not enough to use for manufacturing drawing. Okay, let's think about mechanical things in our daily life. As an example, bicycle, motorcycle, and cars, etc. Those all things are actually combination of mechanical parts. To assemble all those mechanical parts, all parts must be sure precisely. Until now, you can guess how much GD&T is essential. Okay, let's go on. There is a saying normally we use, nothing is perfect. That's true for materials also. There is always deviation from standard. If it is within the tolerance zone, we can say okay or pass. If it goes over the tolerance zone, it is rejected or we can say fail. I think you will get why we need to use GD&T. Let's go on about tolerance frame. If we say tolerance frame, you always see like this. That's correct. But you don't know what is it inside the frame and what they mean. But I don't mean to mechanical people. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's see this frame. The first one is called single frame. Then this one is called multiple frame. Then this one is called composite frame. Okay, what's the thing inside? This is called symbol, number one. Second partition is called tolerance value. And then the last three partition, this is called datum. Roughly, we can say like this. Number one symbol. There are 14 types of symbol. This is the basic pattern of tolerance. In fact, there are more than that. Later, I will explain all these 14 number symbol. Okay, I will go to tolerance value. This tolerance value is very rare. Sometimes you can see the diameter symbol in front of the tolerance value. But sometimes you don't need to show the diameter symbol. It depends on the shape of the tolerance zone. This diameter symbol represents the diameter of the tolerance zone. If the tolerance zone shape is circular shape, you can see the diameter symbol in this place. Sometimes tolerance zone shape is just like a flashy shape. If so, you no need to mention the diameter symbol. That's why you need to aware the shape of the tolerance zone. Sometimes you can see the feature modifier behind the tolerance value. Sometimes you can see the datum modifier also behind the datum name. Okay, let's see this symbol. If you see this symbol, it means maximum material condition. If you see this symbol, it means least material condition. Then this one means regardless of feature size. You can see that behind the tolerance value of datum name. Number 3 is called datum. Datum is not necessary for all symbols. If you want to know datum is need or no need, you go and check in my Excel sheet. Okay, here is the Excel sheet. I already datum need or no need. Okay, let's go to symbol. There are 14 number of symbols. Okay, here we go. The first one is the straightness. If you want to say straightness, you can use this symbol. Datum is not required. Then the next one, this symbol is called flatness. Next one, this is circularity. Then this is called cylindricity. These four numbers are under type of form. Datum is not required for these four numbers or form. Feature modifier is required for straightness only. The rest then no need. Datum modifier also unnecessary. Next one, this is called parallelism. Then this is perpendicularity. Then this is angularity. Three numbers are under type of orientation. They all need the datum. You can see the feature modifier and datum modifier also. Then the next one, this is called profile of a line. This is profile of a surface. This two number is under type of profile. Datum is required. Then you cannot see the feature modifier, but you can see the datum modifier. The next one, this symbol is called position. Then this one is called concentricity. This is symmetry. These three numbers are under type of location. Datum is required. Feature modifier and datum modifier are required for position. But for the rest two numbers, they are not necessary. Okay, the next one. This is called runout and this one is called total runout. These two items are under type of runout. Datum is required and these modifiers are not required for this runout. Okay, let's go to Autocad. As an example, this drawing is for straightness symbol. Supposing this is a metal pipe. You want to measure this one is straight or not. If so, you need to bring it to inspection table and check on it. Then inspection instrument check the material along this way. If you want to show the straightness in your drawing, you can write like this one. This symbol means straightness. This is the tolerance value. Your arrow need to show on the surface because inspection to check on the surface. Okay, I will show you tolerance zone drawing. This tolerance zone drawing is for straightness. This is the front view, this is the side view. When you check your material on inspection table, you can see like this one. This material is straight. Actually, it has some tolerance. This curve is inside the tolerance zone. It will be okay. This green line go over the tolerance zone. It will be rejected. Where you see the ISO drawing, this green line is material surface. This yellow color one is tolerance zone. In this drawing, material surface is between the tolerance zone. That's why it will be okay. The next one, this drawing also for straightness. The difference between these two drawings, the first one is straightness measured on the surface. The second one is straightness measured at the middle of the material. One more difference in these two drawings is, you see here, this one and this one different. In this drawing, there is no diameter symbol and material modifier symbol. In this side, you can see the diameter and modifier symbol. Because in this drawing, tolerance zone appear at the center of the material. That's why we need to show the diameter symbol in this place. That's why we need to aware the tolerance zone and how it looks like. Okay, let's go another one. Now I want to show you how to create the tolerance frame. To create the tolerance frame, firstly you need to go to annotate. Then click on the dimension, go to the left side. Now you can see the plus or minus symbol. Then you click on it. Then dialog box appear. You can show the symbol in this place. You click on it. Then there are 14 types of symbol and you can choose. Then you need to choose according to your requirement. Okay, I will choose this one. This is position symbol. Then I need to type the tolerance value. Supposing tolerance value is 0.05. If you don't need this one, you can skip it. Then you need to type the data name. Supposing data A. If you need to show some more data, you can type here data B and data C. Sometimes you need to show the diameter for tolerance zone. That time you can click here. If you need to show the feature modifier, you can click here. Choose the feature modifier according to your job requirement. If there is data modifier, you can show here. Click on it. Then you choose the data. And when you finish, you just click on OK. I will put it here. Sometimes you need to show the multiple frame. That time you just double click on it. You put the sample here, perpendicular. Then you need to show the tolerance values, supposing 0.04. If you need to show diameter, you just click here. For feature modifier, you can click here. You need to show the data also, just type it. Okay, click on OK. That is called multiple frame. Sometimes you need to create a composite frame. That time you just double click. Supposing this one also position. Just click on position. Then I will click on OK. In this way, you can create various type of frame. Then I will show you how to create the data. Lastly, I will go to home and draw a rectangle here. Then I will draw a line here. Now I want to show the data A from here. Lastly, I need to click on the annotation, click on multi-leader style. Firstly, I need to click on the annotated, then click on new. I will set the name. This is for vertical datum, so I will type V. Then click on continue. Firstly, you need to choose the symbol. Click on the symbol, then click on the datum triangle V. You can change the color also. I will make it blue. Then I go to second tab. In this place, I don't want the landing. I just need the straight. That's why I will click here and check. Then you will see like this one. Click on annotated. I want to use the annotated. This one okay. Then go to another tab. Content. I need to click on the frame text because I want to put the text into the frame. Then this one I need to change. I want it come out from bottom center. That's why I need to click on the vertical attachment. Then this one standard, this one also standard. It's okay already. Then click on OK. Now I create this one. So click on set parent close. To use the data, firstly you need to go to multi-leader. Click on it, then show the base point. If you don't see any point here, you can press F3. Then I will click here. I will move my cursor and the triangle appear. Okay, I will click here. Then I will type the data name. Supposing this one is the data in. Okay, I will click outside. Okay, now I already got. Now I want to create one more data. Now I want to put one more data on this side. I click on the multi-leader, then show the base point. I move my cursor to the left and the triangle appear. It's okay already. Then I will click here. I will type the data name, supposing B. I will click outside. You see data B. This line comes from the left side. Actually, I want to make this line at the center of the box. So I need to create one more multi-leader for data B. I click on the annotation, then click on the multi-leader style. Then I will copy this one. I click on the new. I delete unnecessary one. This time I will make it H. Then click on continue. All the rest no need to change. We need to change in the content only. Then click on the horizontal attachment. Then click on OK. Then click OK. Okay, I need to delete this one. Then go and check this one to H is okay. Then I need to click on the multi-leader. To the base point. Then you need to move your crosshair and the triangle appear. Click on it. Then you need to type the data. Supposing data B. Then I click outside. This line don't go to center because I forget one thing. I click on the annotation again. Click on the multi-leader style. Click on modify. Then here I need to choose middle of text. This one also I need to choose middle of text. Then click on OK. Close. Okay, this one changed already. That's all for today's lesson and thanks for watching my video until finish. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and see you again. Bye bye.